So guys, I am back with a special product for you. It's a Bluetooth device which has the capability to convert wired things wireless, which have 3.5mm jack. So the packaging is very simple as I bought it from an offline market. So at the back side it mentioned some key specification of the product. You can pause the video if you wanna read. So now let's have a look on the main package. So first we get the main product, which is our Bluetooth receiver. Then we have two more items in the package, as a USB to micro USB cable to charge this device and a 3.5mm jack, audio jack to connect it to your car stereo device. So the build quality of the jack is pretty good. The only thing I don't like is the length of the USB cable given in the box. It's very short. So now let's come to our main product. So at the center it has the power on off button. At the bottom we have a mic so that you can pick up the calls. At right side of the product we have a micro USB port to charge it. It takes 2 to 3 hours to full charge, and on continuous usage it can last up to 8 to 10 hours. So at the left side of the product we have 3.5mm port, so you can connect the jack like this and connect to the other side in your car stereo to make it wireless. So to power it on, just press on the power button for 2 to 3 seconds. Two lights will blink, red and blue, indicating that it is ready to pair. So guys, now let's pair it with my Android device, and yes, it is also compatible with iOS devices. After the successful pairing, the light will turn to blue color, and now let's test if this device can convert a wired earphones wireless or not. The main test. So at this moment, due to some technical issue, the audio deleted automatically. So I have to record it again, so let's test it.